What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we got the Microsoft Surface Go in the building. So I picked up the entry-level one. Picked this up from Best Buy. The price is $3.99. So this is the Microsoft Surface Go 2. This has a 10.5-inch touchscreen display. This has the Intel Pentium Gold processor. This is 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, and the color is platinum. You can also pick this up with the Core M3 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes for storage, and you can get this at Best Buy. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. So here are some of the features and details. This thing weighs 1.1 pounds, and it features a 10.5-inch touchscreen display. You can get up to 10 hours of battery life, and you can charge your Surface 2 for up to 80% in less than 1.5 hours. This uses Type-C port to charge, headphone jack, front, HD front and rear cameras let you make crisp, clear calls to friends and family. So this is good for email and homework. You can browse, play, and binge watch. This has, like I said, the 10.5-inch Pixel Sense display, 220 ppi. It has premium sound, powerful volume, includes built-in Dolby audio, perfect for listening to music and audiobooks and streaming your favorite shows. Video calls and virtual meetings come to life with spectacular audio video with Fairfield studio mics, Dolby audio sound, and HD cameras. Laptop mode, tablet mode, studio mode. So these are some of the features. I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to go over and check out some more of these specs. Let's get into it. So here is the box. Now you guys know, if you watch and follow my channel, I've had the original version on several different occasions, and I wasn't really going to pick this one up, but I just had to. So here's the back of it. Includes the Surface 2 Go 2 with Windows Home S. You get your power cord and support for Wi-Fi 802.11. This also has Bluetooth 5.0, and out of the box it's going to be Windows S. Let's jump into it and see what we got here. So like I said, I wasn't really planning on picking this up, but after watching some videos and stuff on it, I recently sold the other one that I had. I just picked it up too. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and sell it and pick up this one. Now, I originally wanted the Core M3 version, but my local Best Buy didn't have that one in stock, so I ended up getting this one. And this should be good enough for what I use it for. Let's get this box off. They got it sealed pretty good here. All right. Set this over to the side. So here's the tablet. You're gonna put that over to the side and see what else we get here. So you get your paperwork here, and you get your charger. So this is a proprietary charger. You can see here. So that fits on the side of it there, and 24 watts. So let's get this stuff out of the way. So let's get this paper, get this off. So let's jump in it. So this kept the same form factor as the original one. Very thin, 1.1 pound, 1.2 pounds. So a little bit heavier than the other one, the first one. But you got your power button, volume up and down. You got your camera here, 8 megapixel. You got another mic there. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, Type-C, that's your proprietary charger. This is your pogo pins for your type cover if you pick that up. And then on the front, you do have your front-facing 5 megapixel camera and your 2 studio mics there. Now the bezels, this is 10.5 compared to 10.1 on the original one. And the bezels are slimmer here. And I just like the form factor. You got your Windows logo there. And here's your kickstand. And this is where you put your micro USB card there. And this is how you lay that down and get down with it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna pick up the keyboard. I may just use it with just a standard mouse. Let's go ahead and get this powered up. And I'm gonna put some info in it, then I will come back and take a look at it. Okay guys, so we're back in. I got my information in it. This is the desktop version right here. Now this is still in Windows S. I will change it to regular 10, Windows 10 Home. This is the new wallpaper they got here. So the 10.5 inch display looks pretty good. Got some pretty good colors to it. The bezels are definitely smaller than the last one I had. And let's go into the menu section here. So take a look at some of the stuff they got on here. Calendar, calculator, camera. They got Facebook Hub, and a lot of the Microsoft tools and different things, the Edge browser. You got your Office stuff there. Just some Windows stuff there. And then let's go over here. So you got your tablet mode. Let's go ahead and jump into tablet mode and see how long that takes. So jumped in pretty good, and this is what it looks like in the tablet mode. And you can see all the apps there just like that. So let's go ahead and jump back out of that. So now we're back in the desktop mode. And you do have your mobile hotspot, airplane mode, different things here. You can control your brightness here. The display looks like it's getting pretty bright. I don't know if they made too much of improvement on that. Let's go into all settings here. And I'll go into it more in depth when I do my review on it. Let's go to system here. And I want to see just how much storage out of the 64 you have here. So it's using 15.1 gigabytes out of the 64 gigabytes that you have initially installed on here. So I got 43 gigabytes left. And I'm going to definitely put a micro SD card in here. But I haven't installed anything on here yet, so that's what you get. This is built just like your regular Surfaces. It's very light. This is some kind of aluminum on the back of it. But yeah, that's the interface of it. Let's see how fast it turns there. So let's do a little size comparison. So the next 10.5 inch display I have here is my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. So there are the two next to each other. And you can see the Surface a little bit taller, a little bit wider. They're about the same height. Now I do have the back part of the case on this one. So it's about as thick as this is with the case on it, without a case on this one. So there are the two displays there. Of course, Samsung's got the best display out on the market. So let's take a look at it next to my iPad Pro 11 here. So here's the iPad Pro. This is the workhorse here. This thing just gets stuff done. So here are the two displays together. Now this has a 4.3 aspect ratio on here. And so you get a little bit wider viewing. So not too bad. You can see the iPad is a little bit wider than the Surface Go. Let's go ahead. I don't want to stretch these up. And here they are about the same height. About the same height. And so that's the iPad Pro. And just for grins, here's my Amazon Fire HD 10. Now this has a 10.1 inch display. So here it is next to the Amazon Fire HD 10. This is the new one, the newest one, a little bit taller. And then just for another big grin, we're gonna get it up against this big Pixel Slate this is 12.3, I think. That's my Pixel Slate. As you can see, it is huge compared to the Microsoft Surface Go. All right, guys, so that is my unboxing and first look at the Microsoft Surface Go 2. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H.